Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the cheapest makeup I've seen. Makeup Geek. This is the box. I've only cut the tape. This is heavy. Everything in this box was $1 a piece. Now, today is Sunday, January, oh God, what is today? Lord, let me see. Sunday the 14th of January. So, and they still had a few things on the site. But I got 90% of what is in this box is not for me. It's for one Christmas present, and the rest will be in giveaways. So, friend mail, that type of thing. So, the box comes very well covered in tissue paper. You know, looks like that. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see. It looks like one of the items was refunded. Yeah, I remembered. The the eyeliner, I had ordered 3 of a specific color and they were out. But most of these are, you know, I got them 3 at the time. So I'll start with right here on top. Okay. So these are brow little kits. Maybe some eyeliners in here. Okay, that's the medium brown brow duo, which I really enjoy. Anyway, so this one is in medium brown. This one is in blonde. This one, medium brown, blonde. Then I have a light brown, another light brown, another blonde, another medium brown. Each of those did I order? Auburn, 2 Auburns. So, you know, out of all of these, you know, I'm hoping I can find the brow that I need, because these are good. But yes, we have a pile of eyeliners. Brow products. And these come with 2 in them. You get brow pencil and a brow liner. So, okay. Brow pencils, plentiful. Then, I got, how big is this thing? This box, y'all, is heavy. Heavy. It's in layers. So, okay, so I thought I had this shade, but I don't. But this is the shade Staycation. I'm not going to open because I'm not keeping all of these. I will keep one of them. Next up is this shade in Hot Tamale. And this is a little bit deeper than Staycation. But I thought they would look really good together. So I got 3 of those. And then I got 3 of the meant to be these little compacts, $1. And I like that. These almost feel like a rubber backing, so they're not gonna slide. You know, not see how that slides easy? That does not. So, but these are empty little Z palettes that you can put those shades in. So I got 4 of these. And let's see, see what these are, because I sure don't remember. Oh, I think I do remember. These are just so wrapped up, so nice. I mean, Marlena, they've gone out of business. There's, you know, very limited stock left. And they still take the time to package everything up nice and neat. But this is another, it's got that almost rubberized back, and this is a little bit bigger one. It has a nice mirror. These $1, $1. So I got 1 yeah, 2. I'm gonna leave it in its little packaging. And 3 and 4. Let me make sure. Yep. So 4 bigger little empty palettes that I did not need, but I am going to be having a giveaway soon. Okay, next up are some bronzers. Some of, well, maybe I will use some of these to put some of the these in, these singles. So this is a highlighter, and I got, okay, that's a bronzer. Okay, these are highlighters, excuse me. This is in the shade Ignite. Way too dark for me, but I thought this would be really pretty as an eyeshadow maybe. So I got 2, I think just 2 of those. And then I got 2 in the shade Firework. Oops. Again, highlighters that are too dark for me, but I think would be really pretty on a deeper skin tone, or maybe even as a bronzer or a bronze topper. That makes sense. And in the last bag, I've got, these are bronzers in the compacts because they were $1. So I have, let's see, okay, yeah. I have a tawny from Makeup Geek, and that I got just a few weeks ago, and I went back. The tawny that I have is not in a component like this. It is just a, I think I have it in the Z palette. I think. Maybe not. No, I'm mistaken. The tawny that I have is, it looks like that. It's not got a design or anything on it like these do. And they're the same thing, but one has the embossed on it. I don't know. I'll have to check and see if there's any difference in those. And there's some inconsistencies in bronzers that I have seen are actually in the NARS bronzers, specifically Laguna. Anyway, that's beside the point. I bought some extra Tonys, and then these are for deeper skin tones. This looks like it's been touched right there. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't look like a fingerprint, but you know what? I'll swatch it and keep it for myself. It's not that dark. Let me swatch-a-roo my tawny compared to this one. A very subtle difference, honestly. So, yeah, that's tawny. Top one is tawny. The bottom one is burnished. So, actually, that's good. I've got it to add to my collection. And, yeah, these are burnished. And tawny. And I think that is all the bronzers and single shades that I got. Again, $35 for all of this. And honestly, I mean, you know, I was buying from Makeup Geek when, you know, they want $1. And I hop off now. I'm going to go wash my face paint off. This video will be in another video. This is the Oil Slick Makeup. And I absolutely love it. I don't want to take it off. That rarely happens. But it happened today. Okay, guys. As always, be beautiful, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.